What is going on, guys? Today, as you can clearly see, I'm going to be talking about the 2022 Audi R8 Coupe that I am getting in 3 months. So yes, I've already done all the work and everything with it, so now I just have to wait for delivery. Now, full disclosure, this is a leased car, right? This isn't financed, this isn't bought cash. I am leasing it, and I'm going to be breaking down a little bit of why and why I chose to do it this way. So, as I was looking for cars, right, I was really interested in like the AMG GT, not really the four door, but the two door, the new Mercedes SL63, all of that, Porsche 911. Here's the thing, when it comes down to lease price, this one was actually one of the best ones that you could get due, I guess, to the residual value, right? Because the lease price on this, you can go up to 15,000 miles. I ended up doing 12, right? The price, you can do it a little bit longer than 36 months. You can do it 42, yada, 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 right? So the AMG GT basically was a little bit more expensive than actually a little less, about $100 less, right? It was around $2,000 flat. This one was $2,100 per month. Here is the thing about that. I'd rather have this than an AMG GT, to be honest, right? I like this a lot better. Driving is a lot better. That's just my personal opinion, right? And I got as you can see, I didn't get the super expensive one, right? I got a literally almost base package. And again, I also plan on flipping it, right? They're discontinuing making the R8. So I actually think the price will go up. I'm doing lease and it is a buyback lease. So at the end, I can just pay off the difference. That's why I actually ended up choosing a lease. I know fairly well how many miles I drive, and honestly, if I go a little bit over, I don't care. I know how much it is per mileage over. So again, that's one thing. I have more than one car. So again, if let's say instead of driving 1,000 miles, right, by the end of the year, let's say by the end of the first year, um, I have put 13 or by it's November of this year, and I put already 12,000 miles on it. The last month I'll just drive one of my different ones, right? And again, I'm not trying to be braggy or anything like this. I'm just letting you know kind of my game plan with it, right? So here we can see the summary. Literally almost nothing changed. I just did the black. I wanted the better stitching because for me that's important. I got the carbon fiber interior. As you can see, right, additional options. I just did $15,000. Destination charge was $1,500. So you can kind of see, right, all the standard features and everything that already comes with it. It's already like pretty decently done. I did not get the sports exhaust because I'm gonna be upgrading it anyway. And you're like, it's a lease, you can't do that. What they don't know won't hurt them. Plus, I'm buying it back at the end anyways, so I'm already not going to care. It's basically going to be my car, and yeah. So that's kind of my way. I've done it with leases before. I've done it with the Audi S5, right? Nothing of that. So here you guys can see just basically everything. You can see basically the build code that they gave me, right? It's up here, the Audi code. So right, the engine type. Again, this is just the base package. So yeah, I don't think it's gonna be losing too much value. Again, the $2,000 per month I can afford by the end of the lease. I think it should still be around the same price. Theoretically, the most I should be able to lose should be around, depreciation wise, $30,000 from the 165. So if you calculate that out, $30,000 for 40 months, well, that's a little bit over 3 years. So basically, every year it's costing me around $10,000 or less than $1,000 a month. So again, that's kind of my breakdown on it. I really like the car. I can always finish the lease early as well and just buy it off then. So that is also an option I have. But yeah, again, it's pretty cheap. For me, the main option I did was just the exterior color cost me $550. The interior and then the carbon fiber steering wheel was around $1,500. So the seats were around 55, outside 500, so that's 6,000. Steering wheel and carbon fiber, that was kind of the remaining. But yeah, so I'm gonna be waiting a couple months for it to obviously ship in. But besides that, let's go, guys. But yeah, even so, again, worst case, I'd be losing. It cost me 30,000 to drive it. And yeah, that's kind of it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and sub. Join our free Discord. I'll make more videos because I actually do plan on actually flipping it for a profit here. So we'll see since they're discontinuing it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow with another video. Peace out, guys.